Welcome to Office of Law, the one-stop solution for all your legal apprehension. Today we are going to see how to buy land, a vacant land, be it an agricultural land or a housing site, the list of documents to be verified and how to verify them, and the steps to be followed in the process. Let's get started. The first step is sale deed verification. We need to get the copy of the sale deed from the vendor. Vendor is the person who sells the land. And from that sale deed, we have to trace the title as to how the property came into the hands of the vendor. And we need to ask for all the parent documents of this land. If the vendor does not have the parent document, then we need to get it from the concerned sub-register office with the document numbers mentioned in this sale deed. On the perusal of the vendor's sale deed and the previous documents mentioned in the sale deed, you can come to a conclusion whether the vendor has the perfect title to the said property or not. The next step is encumbrance certificate verification. We can apply for the encumbrance certificate in the concerned sub-register office for a period of 12 years prior to the date of purchase of the vendor. Normally from the year 1987, all documents are available online. So you can apply for an online EC for the period from 1987 till the date you are applying for EC. In case you need to apply for EC for a prior period, you can apply it manually in the concerned sub-register office. On perusal of the EC, you should find all the documents mentioned in your vendor's sale deed, and the last sale must be in favor of your vendor. Only then he can sell the property to you. In case in the EC, if you find any other encumbrance such as mortgage, gift, settlement, etc., those documents can affect your vendor's title. So, you have to check it with him about the transactions before purchasing the property. If the title of your vendor is clear, then you have to verify whether the physical possession of the property is with your vendor. So, the next step is possession verification. This can be verified by physically inspecting the property. It is always better to purchase the property which is compounded. If there is no compound, then you can tell the vendor to put the compound and you can bear the expenses. This will bring out any issue of possession while putting up the compound wall. The other proof of possession of your vendor is the patta. The patta is a proof of possession of the owner of land. This document is mandatory, and only if patta stands in the name of your vendor, you can purchase the same. Also, you have to verify the extent of land mentioned in your vendor's sale deed, and the patta must match. If there is any discrepancy, then you have to sort it out before you purchase the land. If you are buying a land as a housing site in a layout, then you have to verify whether the layout is approved by the concerned authority, and a separate layout sketch and approval number will be given. If you have to insist your vendor to produce the layout sketch and approval details before buying the land, you have to insist your vendor to produce the layout sketch and approval details before purchasing the land. Assuming you are purchasing plot number 7 in the layout, if the sketch is given to you, you can verify whether that plot number 7 is mentioned in the sketch, and the location of the plot can also be verified. It is always better to purchase housing site in an approved layout, as it minimizes your risk of purchasing a government land or any water body land, etc. If you are purchasing an agricultural land, then apart from the above verifications, you have to check the Adangal or A register. which will contain the details of the land owner, extent, and nature of the land. We will upload more videos regarding the purchase of land, land with buildings, etc. If you have any specific query, you can write to us. Our email ID is displayed on the screen. You can even write it in the comment section below. We will answer all your legal queries. You can even mention any topics which you want us to make a video on. Thank you.